What is the success rate of hair transplant surgery? Hello, my name is Dr. Arun Panda. I'm a facial plastic surgeon from Mumbai. We come across this question many a times by the patients. They ask us, what is the success rate of a hair transplant surgery? That means, if we are taking out 100 grafts and putting or transplanting 100 grafts, what is the success rate or how much grafts are going to survive? So typically we use a technique called FUE technique, which everybody knows of. In this, what we do is we take smaller grafts from the back of the scalp, or that's called the donor area. They're actually permanent donor zone, and that is transplanted in the area which lacks those hair grafts, or the patient has become bald in those areas. Now typically when we take it out from the back, they are permanent donor zone. That means they retain the memory and they do not fall. That's why they are called permanent donor zone. So ideally speaking, the success rate of hair transplant surgery is anything between 95 to 100%. Having said that, sometimes what happens is we could fail in the grafts. That could be because of a couple of reasons. Reason one, when we are taking the grafts in the back of the scalp, we might be transecting those grafts, might be cutting the roots, and if we transplant the same thing on the front, we might be losing the graft. Second thing is when we are transplanting it here on the front aspect, so we might be damaging the roots when we are holding the roots in a proper, if we are not holding it in a proper way, so that might also cause damage. Third thing is when we are keeping the graft outside for a longer period of time, that might also reduce our success rate. Apart from that, there is various more reasons which can actually influence the success rate. But overall saying, the transplant surgery, the success rates are anything between 95 to 100% unless they are not handled well, the grafts are not handled well, and then we start losing the graft. But most of the times the patients are very happy. If you see this kind of patients, we have done 2 sittings of hair transplants and you can see the beautiful results. So I would say yes, it is 95 to 100%. And if you have any query regarding the graft survival, or if you want to know more about hair transplant surgeries, please call us or you can email us or get in touch with us. We'll be more than happy to help you out. Thank you so much.